All right, we're gonna make a Hill Country Paloma. Never had one until this other day. Has tequila in it, and grapefruit juice, and carbonated water or mineral water, whatever you can call it, sparkling water. Here we go, let's try it out. Never done one. All right, we're just gonna do 1-1-1 divisions. Maybe we learned that in school, I don't know. You tell me. Typically, I don't measure much these days, but with this drink, it's new to me. So I'm going to measure everything. 1-1-1. Probably going to need a little more grapefruit than that. I don't know how this is going to taste because everybody had a different recipe. And probably need a little bit more grapefruit, a little bit of simple syrup, actually a little bit more lime, a little squeezed lime in there. And I'm just gonna mix this one up. Probably not good with carbonated water or the sparkling water. So let's pour this one over here. This is supposed to be good tequila. I've never tried it. We're gonna find out today. Still think I'm gonna have to add a little more grapefruit juice. But let's see how much full it gets. Okay, so it worked out perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of simple syrup. They say add just a little bit. And actually I'm gonna try it right before I add, I need a mixer spoon. Right before I try the grapefruit soda, I was gonna top it off with, I'm gonna try it like this. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Still alive, babe. Let's try this. Okay, that got it. But maybe a little less tequila. Depends on how much tequila you like. This grapefruit juice is really strong, so I think maybe a little less of this and a little bit more of the soda would make it a little better. Till next time, cheers.